Hej, num-num. Ät, num-num. Visa sitter num-num. Num-num. Ja, gå. Ja, vi ser. Vi kan sitta där.
Ja, ta bort den.
Jag får ingen.
So now guys, we're going here in my little garderobe.
It's a house.
Yes, it's a walk-in closet. Yes, and I have little drawers here.
Is this supposed to be?
Drawers. And I
Ja.
have my thingy here.
It's your height at least.
Yeah, and my mirror, and of course I have also a little drawer here.
I must say you have a very little hangers for a walk-in closet.
So now let's go to the other house.
Other house part.
Okay, come.
What is this? A kitchen?
Here. Oh, it's a kitchen. It's a kitchen area.
Oj, oj, oj.
So here's my table.
Oj, you can barely sit one person.
Yes, and here is the window. And here's my
Oj, oj, oj,
oven.
such an oven.
Here I can cook food. Here's my mugs, and there's the what do you call that?
It's different, it's
Condiments. Yes.
Yeah.
And I
Yeah.
have flour here.
Jaha.
So,
Oj, oj, oj.
and here is my little kitchen. So, as you know, I'm living in the boat.
Yeah.
Come here.
Oh, it's a nice floor mat you had here. Handmade. Okay,
So
go.
now we're going inside the boat.
Thank you.
It's an Uddevalla boat. Now come in. Wow. And here is my chimney.
Ah, it's an open fireplace.
Yes, my chimney.
Oh, it's really tight. Another kitchen. You have another
Also a kitchen because I'm really rich.
oven here, stove here.
Mama, did the sheep people go deep?
Yes, I am really rich, so I'm living in the boat. Yeah. And now we will go.
I will not climb up there. You can't. Oh, you can? Yeah, it's supposed to be. I think you're supposed to be.
I'm sorry, guys, it's closed.
Oh,
So we will go to the other way.
maybe someone's standing. What are you doing? Maybe someone is standing on it.
What is that? It's a eel.
Where? Oh, there.
What is it?
Go here.
What is it?
That's checking if it holds for me. Oh, it hurts walking up. Go.
So we go up.
Gå ner. Nej.
Go up. But my cameraman, it's really tight for him.
Nej, I will manage.
Fat.
Up, Bobby.
Oh,
Steering man is coming.
in the,
Gå.
it's really good because it's
Ja, sen.
so I can walk properly anyway.
Mamma filmar nu.
Mamma, börja detta sitta.
Here also it's my here our
Wait, I can't see. Here.
our living room. So
Nej, detta sitta.
Now I see why you can't go there. It's blocked.
Det är så bra. Det finns så... Hej!
yeah.
Yeah.
So here
And here you have the control.
the Captain America, it's here. So
Captain America.
the captain.
The boat captain.
Bobby,
Captain America is a superhero.
So here, so we're going to the west
Yes.
and east and north and south all over the world.
Yeah. Oh, a little dark here.
And they have my extra
Here is the-
chairs. Yeah, that's why I didn't open. And you have the lock.
Oh.
Supposed to be you can go
Yeah,
the lock.
you're supposed to go here, but they put chairs and a lock on it. Så är det bra, Bobby?
So people can
Yeah.
sit if there's too much people.
Oj,
Hello, Bobby. It's
it's cracking.
and my cameraman
Oj, oj, oj.
he got stuck.
No, I'm not stuck. It's afraid it will break.
He got stuck.
Listen to this.
Who did?
It's
So-
they are. I'm not stuck. I can't support my left arm and right arm. I mean,
So there.
can't support. Aj, det hurts. Ja, pappa kommer. Akta Chris.
Go down. Oh, there. So now I will go down in my small boat.
Don't fall into the water.
I will go up here and relax.
There's the front of the boat.
But then the head doing just that. The head layer.
It's our children safety because we have 2 children.
Yeah, so you have the safety net.
And it is slippery for me.
Mama, go ahead.
Oh, and it's more here.
A little hideout.
It's a little hideout. It's
I
a
can't.
small room.
I can't hit it. It's the bedroom for the kids.
Oh, it's a bedroom for us.
Mama, go ahead, do the tea.
Wow, and here is the view outside.
There, look there.
And,
Mama, go ahead.
oh, yes.
The head is a video.
This is the under in the boat.
Hey, Bobby. Oh, you have to say Bobby.
Say Bobby.
It's hard
Yeah.
and slippery.
Bobby.
Hey, we are alone.
Oh, he's driving here now.
Aha, that's what you want to see.
Baba.
Tut tut.
Baba.
Vad är det?
De hade inne ljusarna.
Nej, jag trodde det.
So now I'm done touring in my small boat.
Yeah. And we have birds here. Come on, Bobby.
Oops, in my small boat. Yeah.
Kolla, Bobby. Kaka.
Det ser jag.
Kaka.
Du får inte göra den.
Kaka, titta, den kan flyga.
What?
Titta, den flyger. Kaka.
Jag gör det.
Look, it's flying. The wood bird is flying.
Och hur du nog idag?
För pappa lång. Vänta.
Mamma, kolla.
Wow.
Jag tackar den nya.
Here's the out place.
Yeah, it's the out place. It's nice behind.
Yeah.
It's the ocean. No, it's not ocean.
Yeah, that's the ocean.
It's ocean.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's the ocean behind me. So it's nice to live in the boat.
Yeah. There we see the ocean. It was all white. Look here, guys. Ooh.
Okay. And that's our vlog. See you next time. And by the way, don't forget to like and subscribe our channel, Shalala and Kibaki.
Papa,
Babush.
I got